Hello, kids! Welcome back to Phonics Teach. Today, we are learning CVC sentences with the short vowel eh. And we will also learn our sight word for today. Let's say the word together. Went. 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 Great! Now, let's spell it together. W-E-N-T. Went.
Amazing! Now let's read some fun short vowel S sentences. Ready? Ben met Ted. Ted went to bed. Jen set the net. The net is wet. Ben met 10 men. He fed the hen. The hen is red. Can I get the pen? A web is on the den. Great reading, kids! Today you learned the short vowel eh and the sight word went. Keep practicing and keep smiling!